pet them. But if the ears are going back, they are not ready to talk with you. You can take one step behind. This is the body language we have to understand before we touch them. Okay, now look at the black line here on the shoulder and back. Any animal comes to your mind? Zebra. They are very close relative to zebras. Okay, but they are not related to tigers. Yeah, it's okay. Now, what else do you know about donkeys? Are they dumb? Are they stupid, lazy, or dirty? Yeah. Anybody called you donkey before? How did it feel? Good or bad? Okay, but I will tell you, you don't need to feel bad because donkeys are known for the cleanest animal in captivity. They sit a separate place for pee and poop. Look at the horse enclosure. They pee and go here and there everywhere. You can see the mat, old mat. But look at the donkey enclosure. Of course, from the sanctuary they clean, but still if you see, it will be only in one or two corners. So they don't like to make it dirty everywhere. Also, they are not stupid or dumb. They are very intelligent. So if anybody calls you donkey, you can be proud of it. Yeah. Okay. Have you checked their teeth? Did you notice the teeth?
Yeah.
While eating, you can observe they have teeth both.
These both are like sharp.
Yeah, it will be little sharp and so big.
To chew the food.
Yeah. Up and down both sides they have.
Yeah.
But have you noticed the cow, sheep and goat teeth?
Yeah.
In the front upside they don't have teeth. I'll show you later. So now we are feeding them. This lovely lady here, not comfortable all the time. So avoid touching her. But she is friendly. You can give her food. Okay? Yeah. We'll be bringing grass now.
You can sit down. It was rabbit and okay, so what animal do you see here? They live in captivity. Okay. And?
Oh, the same thing.
Yes. And?
Live in captivity, it's a rabbit.
No. There is one more difference actually. So, rabbits or hares, they are much bigger than rabbits. Okay. And you cannot find a white hare. Hares are having only brown. Okay. Rabbits are having different colors. Black, white, brown. And they can jump and run faster than a normal rabbit. So, do you think in India we can keep a hare as a pet? No. You cannot keep any Indian wild animal as a pet. It's illegal. It comes under Indian Wildlife Act. So, that is the reason why you cannot keep peacocks, eagles, monkeys, hares, Indian parakeets, tortoise, any of them.
MOTL. They are even called as the Mexican walking fish. If you look at their body structure, they have got limbs to walk around. Can you see that? And right behind their head, you see they have their gills. So that helps them to breathe underwater, and they can even breathe through. Did you see what they did? Yeah. So they are called archer fish because we play archery, right? Bow and arrow. The same way these fish shoot water. When they see something sitting on a leaf or on the wood, all of them move and gather to groups and shoot at the worm together. That's how they make it fall down, and that's how they even eat it. But all of them spit, but there's only one fish who's not even spitting his. Okay, bumbity bum bum. I can't hear all of you. Bumbity bum bum. Great. So we have our next animal here. What is this called? Any idea? Okay, so a chameleon will have a round spiral tail. Okay. Iguana, you guys met the iguana, right? He had spikes on top of his body. He's got them on the sides. So iguana lives on trees, so they've developed the spikes on top. These guys are terrestrial, so they've got them on the sides of their body. This is called as a bearded dragon. Okay. The reason why they are called bearded dragon is if you look at their chin, right? These are called pseudo spikes, meaning they're false spikes. They just look big and sharp, but they're not sharp at all. They're very soft and delicate. Now I'll get him close to you guys. You can slowly pet him with 2 fingers. Pet him on the top. Make sure you don't press or tap because he can feel each and every touch. So a soft, gentle touch on the top. Be in your place. After this, I'll take you to meet the next.
Which is that? Where is that animal? What is that animal? Oh, there it is.
This is called as a skink. S-K-I-N-K. They call it as a haurani in Kannada. In other languages, they call it arane. Also. Indonesia, we have skinks in India as well. They are much smaller. Okay, and they
देखा माहिरा
claws, right? Yeah, you look at him, he's got big claws like an elephant's feet. So they only walk on land, and tortoise are the ones who only live on land. You put them in a pool or a pond, they will drown, they cannot swim because of their leg-like structure, the claws that they have. So these guys mainly stay on land, they are terrestrial animals. And this is called, as old is he now, his name is Sunshine. Just let's start guessing. Can be given to them as treats, but he was feeding them strawberries, apples, bananas. And what happens when they eat a lot of protein is they start getting this pyramidal kind of a structure. Everything starts to get accumulated there, and that's how they get that pyramid structure. You see this?
Communicate with each other and they'll get
So guinea pigs, they don't have any tail. That's why they're called as tailless rodent. Yeah. And look at his eyes. Do you see him blinking?
Look like rabbit.
No. You see him blinking? Look at his eyes.
3 minutes konse te alarm hai.
So guinea pigs, they hardly blink their eyes and they can sleep with their eyes open. Yeah. So unlike other rodents, they do not burrow, they don't live underground, they live in grassland. So they just need 4 hours sleep in a day and that's it. And whenever they're sleeping also, they are always alert. Their eyes will be open. So the predator will think that they're awake. Okay? And have you seen a baby rat or a mouse or a rabbit when they're born? They are this tiny. They don't have any fur on their body. Their eyes will be closed. They're pink in colors. They're called as pinkies. But when guinea pigs are born, they're born with full fur on their body. Their eyes will be open, and they start eating whatever their mother is eating in just native to Africa, and pygmy means small. So this is the maximum size they can grow up to. So most of the people they can. He's saying hi.